Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Faith and Forex. May you prosper and be in good health as your soul prospers. Let's go. Alright, so let's look at what we said would have happened with Gbpjpy last time, what we were hoping for, and what is actually taking place. Now, Gbpjpy is in an uptrend, and we're looking at this particular swing structure just between 195.7 and all the way to 199, where we're seeing a pullback at 199.7. right? So on the daily time frame, this is our low and we have made a high. It's not necessarily one of those strong highs because we have not gotten a very strong pullback such as this. All right, however, we have gotten some pullback, so for now this is our high, which price is looking to break. We also want to make note that we're at a very strong area of resistance. Price has gotten to this area before in October of last year, in December, and failed to break that particular high. Now, currently I am looking at Gbpjpy. I am in a sell position, and this is because CPI is out now, guys. It's 7:30. All right, so that's good. We caught it. Like, we are actually creating the video while that's going on. Yes, so GJ had a change of character just around here, and I think that will be a little clearer on the 4-hour time frame. I saw this change of character where this candlestick, just around this candlestick, it failed to break above the previous candlestick. So this bullish candlestick, or sorry, this bearish purple candlestick failed to break above the previous candlestick. Let me just mark it so it can be a little clear. So just around here, this candlestick failed to break above its previous candlestick. So that would be where the change of character takes place. And as you can see, once you break below that, you now have a new low, and this would be our high. So currently price is trending between these areas. Just above that high, or at that high, is going to be my stop loss. And if price does break above, the character would have changed, would have now been in an uptrend. Now, why am I selling GJ? I've sold GJ because I realized there's a possibility, based on backtesting, that Gbpjpy, after this change of character, is going to be targeting the internal structure points, which this here, this previous low, that created this high because we have a candlestick break above this area. So this is going to be our new high. I do believe that Gbpjpy, after that change of character, is looking to get back into this area, especially because it is an area of demand. We have a range demand here, which is a sell just before the buy. And that's what I use to mark off my demand area for Gbpjpy. Right? Now, should Gbpjpy, so I'm just looking for a quick 1 to 2. I won't be in it for long. Should it break this area or demand 1, we're looking for Gbpjpy to get into this unmitigated demand, which is my area of interest 2. If not, this area is not necessarily a strong area of demand. However, it's a strong area of support and resistance. So if Gbpjpy does choose to, just choose to test these lows, I'm looking for GJ to have some strong resistance around this area. Not really worrying about this higher low. If price does get into this higher low, we're just looking for strong reversals. All right, so I'm still in for buys. To be honest, I'm just taking a very small risk here just to see what will happen with GJ. Since I saw the change of character, I'm seeing my demand areas. So I decided that, listen, I'm going to go for it, whether we risk it or not. Whether we choose to take the risk or not, trading is about taking risk. All right, so I am waiting to see how this trade plays out for the rest of the day. All right, and so as you can see, that will be my trade idea for this coming week. I'm looking for GJ to come and to consolidate in my area of demand and to change character, and we'll see a push into our take profit area, which is still 201. If it does break that area of demand, when I say break, complete candlestick close below this low. That's what a break is. Not a wick, not a consolidation, just a complete break below. I'm looking for GJ to get into this unmitigated area of demand. All right. If it does take liquidity from below this low, that's completely fine as well. And if it does close completely below that low, I'm only looking for it to test this strong area of support and resistance. So those are my area of interest. I have 3 this time. I'm actually not really so confident about the 3rd area of interest. I'm really looking at the area of interest 1. That's where my focus will be. That's where I'll be looking for my confirmations, my confluences. Yes, but if it does fail and break through, and I don't expect it to, only because this previous high, this internal high was broken, because as you can see, this would have been the low, price retested, gave us this internal high, and then gave us that candlestick break above this low. So this high is responsible for this low, which is now responsible for this high, which gave us a candlestick break above. All right, and that's not structure overall, it's just internal structure. So it is a structure that is happening within our swing structure area, which we identified our higher low and our higher high. All right, so whenever I approach the market, that's how I approach it. I hope you learned something, and I pray that this week, I hope that this week you guys will be very, very profitable. Any suggestions you have, comments, please drop it in the chat. I'm so ready to learn from you guys and to grow on this journey. All right, so God bless you. Peace.